Have you ever thought it's too late to get rich? Or maybe you felt like time's running out to build the wealth you've always dreamed of? Well, today we're diving into something that might just change that thinking. Let me introduce you to a game-changing strategy that can help you accumulate money fast, even if you're starting a little late in life. Yes, it's possible, and yes, it works for everyone, young or old, experienced or just starting out. But before we dive deeper, don't forget to hit that button because it means a lot to us and we're here to guide you on this exciting wealth-building journey. Ready to start? Let's jump right in. What is the 8-4-3 rule? The is a simple yet transformative method for accumulating wealth. It breaks the process down into 3 clear and actionable parts. 8. Invest toward building your financial future. 4. Dedicate a focused effort and consistency. 3. Achieve dollars or your financial goal by the end of those 4 years. Though it sounds ambitious, the 8-4-3 rule has been used successfully by people who didn't inherit wealth but instead used their time wisely and worked consistently toward their goals. Here's the beauty of the rule. Let's break down each of these components further to show you how it can work for you. Time is often overlooked in the wealth-building process. People mistakenly think that if they just worked longer hours or took on more jobs, they'd see their financial situation improve. However, what truly matters is how you use your time. Think about it. If you spend 8 hours per week toward improving your financial situation, that's more than 400 hours a year. This time could be used to invest in education, develop side businesses, research opportunities, or even build up your network. In just 4 years, that's a significant amount of time to develop something substantial. Here's where people often miss the mark. They think they have to work 8 extra hours at their job, or take on something that seems exhausting. But that doesn't have to mean additional work in the traditional sense. It can be time spent learning new financial skills, reading books, taking courses, creating side businesses, writing, consulting, designing, planning investments, stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, engaging in personal growth, improving your health and mindset. What's important is that these 8 hours are invested toward actions that will to create wealth. Over time, these 8 hours a week add up and create results that go far beyond just working harder. When it comes to building wealth, patience and consistency are key. The 4-year commitment is designed to give you enough time to build something sustainable. When people hear 4 years, they often feel like it's too long. But let's put this into perspective. Think of the massive strides you can make in 4 years. Over this period, you have the time to. You don't have to worry about becoming an overnight success. The most successful people didn't become wealthy by quick fixes or sheer luck. They grew their wealth over time by focusing on long-term strategies. During this 4-year period, you can, whether it's investing in the stock market, starting a business, or saving money, your habits will compound and lead to consistent results. Everyone makes mistakes, but having the patience to work through them is key. By the end of year 4, you'll have a wealth of knowledge and experience that will make it easier to achieve your goals. By the time the 4 years are up, you can start to reap the rewards of your hard work. Wealth building doesn't require you to be a millionaire overnight. What you need is. This 4-year timeline is just long enough to see significant change, but not too long that it feels overwhelming. One of the most important aspects of the 8-4-3 rule is consistency. People who achieve significant wealth often do so not by taking massive, unpredictable risks, but by staying consistent in their approach. You don't have to be perfect from day one. The goal is to show up every day, doing something that moves you closer to your financial goal. This could mean saving a small percentage of your income, researching investment opportunities, or creating something new in your side hustle. Being consistent with your efforts ensures that even when you face difficult times, you are still moving forward. Take small steps every day, and over time, you'll see the momentum start to build. For example, let's say you commit to saving or investing a small amount every month. Over time, with consistent contributions and the power of compound interest, your savings will grow exponentially. This is where wealth starts to snowball. It's about making the right decisions consistently over a period of time. One of the keys to success with the 8-4-3 rule is remembering that progress isn't linear. You'll have some months where you achieve more than you expected, and others where things feel like they're moving slowly. The key is to stay consistent, regardless of the external circumstances. While the 3 million figure is used as a goal in the 8-4-3 rule, it's important to understand that your financial goal can be adjusted based on what you desire. Whether it's 1 million, 10 million, or more, the 8-4-3 rule can be adapted to fit your goals. The critical point is that setting a goal gives you something tangible to work toward. If you don't set a goal, you risk getting lost in the process and lacking direction. Once you have your goal in mind, whether it's 3 million or any other figure, you can begin to reverse engineer the steps needed to get there. To achieve your goal, you need to implement strategies that make your money work for you. Here's how you can do that. Invest in stocks. The stock market is one of the most effective ways to grow wealth over time. By regularly contributing to your investment portfolio, even with small amounts, you can benefit from compound growth. Over 4 years, your consistent contributions to index funds, stocks, or ETFs can lead to substantial growth. Real estate, buying properties to rent out or flipping houses, can provide great returns, especially if you focus on acquiring assets that appreciate in value. The 4-year commitment gives you enough time to research markets, build your portfolio, and start seeing the returns. Entrepreneurship. Starting a business or investing in high-potential ventures can be one of the fastest ways to accumulate wealth. With 4 years of focused effort, you can grow a profitable business that generates both active and passive income. Passive income streams. The goal is to build systems where money flows in without constant effort. This could involve dividend stocks, creating content that generates revenue over time like YouTube or blogging, or setting up systems in your business that work for you. Remember, reaching a goal like $3 million isn't just about making large one-time decisions. It's about steady, consistent contributions over time that add up to a substantial result. Starting late or feeling like you're behind is one of the biggest mental hurdles in wealth building. However, the truth is that it's never too late. Every day is a new opportunity to take steps toward your financial goals. The most successful people often started later in life. Warren Buffett, for example, didn't become a billionaire until well into his 50s. What made him successful was the willingness to start, stay consistent, and make smart decisions. You don't have to be a young prodigy to succeed in wealth building. To overcome the challenges of starting late, here are a few tips. Start small. Don't feel pressured to take huge risks. Start with manageable goals and slowly build from there. Focus on what you can control. You can't control external factors like the economy, but you can control your actions. Stay focused on the things you can influence. Learn from mistakes. Everyone makes them, but your ability to learn from them is what sets successful people apart. Embrace your failures and use them as stepping stones to greater success. The 8-4-3 rule is about recognizing that the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. One of the toughest things about wealth building is the impatience that comes with wanting results quickly. We live in a society that expects instant gratification, but building wealth takes time, and the process requires patience. The 8-4-3 rule teaches us that patience isn't about waiting passively. It's about staying focused and consistently taking small steps that eventually add up to big changes. With every year, month, and day, you're getting closer to your goal. The longer you stay patient, the more you'll realize how much compounding can work in your favor. So, focus on the long game. Yes, the first couple of years might feel like a grind, but remember that you're building something sustainable and lasting. To summarize, the 8-4-3 rule offers a proven, actionable framework for building wealth. Invest 8 hours per week, stay committed for 4 years, and work toward a clear financial goal. No matter how late you're starting, the 8-4-3 rule shows that consistent, smart effort over time can lead to significant wealth. The journey will require patience, persistence, and overcoming setbacks. But with each step you take, you'll be moving closer to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're here to help you take your financial journey to the next level. Until next time, keep investing in yourself and your future.